Okay, so this practice now I call Yawning Yoga. So just relax for a moment and feel the ground underneath you, under your bottom, under your legs. And then as your breath comes in, let your lungs fill, and then open your mouth and let the air pour out. So you just wait at the end of the breath and do nothing. And then when your body wants to breathe in, then you just let it come in. So maybe the breath comes in, and then you relax. So I'll do this more times and slowly give a little bit more detail. It looks a very simple practice, but it's very deep. So we're breathing in, just natural breath, and then open the mouth and let the air pour out of your throat. And you wait. And then let the body breathe in. And then relax. So these open throat breaths I see as a kind of stone. So it's like you have a pool of water here, and I'm dropping a little pebble or stone, plop, into this pool of water. And it causes some ripples perhaps. So those ripples come in the water, and then you feel like yawning, or you feel like stretching a little bit. So it's nothing special. It's just a very simple reaction that comes from doing this slow, deep breathing that we're doing. And allow yourself to do it. So if you feel like to stretch, or yawn, or you want to move a bit, or come down, then just listen to your body and do that. And then let your breathing relax and come back to its normal rhythm. And then when you feel settled inside and ready, then you can do another breath and drop another pebble into this pool of water. At any time, if you feel like you want to blow air, so it's like blowing a stream of air, then you can do this as well. So it means that you've got 3 breaths to work with. You've got this dropping the stone, open mouth breath. You've got normal breathing, where you just let it calm down and just let the body breathe. Be quiet for a moment. And you've got this kind of slow, drawn out, blowing breath, which has a calming effect on the emotions. So we can work with all 3 of these breaths. So now when we do it, this time as you're breathing out, let your attention follow the breath down. So it's going down, 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 down. And then you get to the end of the breath and just wait there. And then let the body breathe in. So you won't die. The body itself will handle the breathing. So this is something to relax with and enjoy that quiet space. And perhaps you get a kind of peace while you're in this practice. So let's start again. So breathing in. So I'm just relaxing now. You don't want to build up any kind of pressure inside, so I can feel my body still wants to breathe normally for a bit to calm down. So even that one breath, it's already having an opening effect on my left side of my chest. I feel tension starting to release. So just rest, and then when you feel ready, you can take another breath. And so I naturally wanted to blow air then. And if the body wants to yawn, then it can come, but it doesn't matter. If it doesn't, and then perhaps feeling inside for a little bit, I can feel a bit of tension in my chest and stomach at the moment. So I'm just blowing air because that feels calming right now. So listen to yourself, listen to your body, what it wants. And then when you're ready, you can drop another stone with the open throat breath. Sometimes the yawn can be blocked, like I can feel a bit in the chest here, in which case if there's a bit of an urge for it to come, then you can, with your mouth open, you can like go inside with your attention and feel in through the throat into the chest, almost like be with the blockage for a bit. And maybe it will melt. So what we want to get is a kind of free yawning, but sometimes it's not always there. Same for me. It means there's some emotion at the moment. So I'm feeling inside at the same time. I can feel that there's some tightness in my case here. So it's okay. I'm aware of that and being with it, feeling it. And at any time you can just come to stillness and just sit and do nothing for a moment. If there's an urge to stretch, then let your body move a bit. Sometimes it's not like very clear, but then you feel, okay, I'll try it and just see. And then you find, oh, okay, that feels nice. So we're not putting ourselves in a rigid box. I mean, maybe you can't see in the video now, but I'm just feeling the body in different shapes a little bit. Like a gentle stretch. So I can feel my own body wants at the moment. I mean, I'm not always the perfect fixed person. There's this kind of practice which helps me, and I can feel that it actually wants. Now we're doing it with the video here. I can actually feel that my body wants it. Okay. So hopefully you have an idea of this practice of yawning yoga. It looks very simple. It might look strange, but it's something that you do. You're working with your own body, and feel what you need. You're connecting deeply, and I can already feel that this is starting to release tensions for me deep inside. And I would now carry on, so I want to do more myself. So have a go with this. It looks simple, but it can be an amazing practice. So good luck.